So let's talk hairline. Hairline is literally the line around. So you could have a high hairline, or you could have a lower hairline. The way you're going to get any of that pop and height that you want, you know, why does she have that great bump and I can't get that to work on my kid's hair? Well, you need to check the hairline. So maybe the forehead is shorter and there's going to be some tricks you can do to get that pop. Someone like with a high hairline or even a natural colic, they're going to have a natural pop, so it's not a whole lot of work to get more movement in here. So it's not like you're doing anything wrong, but when you understand hairline, that'll help you not get as frustrated.